This is Tenzin, a food journalist in New York City. We have a severe snowstorm in New York, and this is the result of it. It is so severe, car can move no more.
Full of
If my
protein.
girl
Easily my favorite meal, as I'd eat most of my calories here.
choose from, I'm gonna give her number from 1 to 10. If she choose from 5 to 10, I will go walk right now after this video. I'm muted, by the way, she can't hear me. Hey baby, choose a number between 1 to 10.
7.
This meal had to make me somewhat full, because I usually have insane cravings at night.
I'm gonna sit here for 10 minutes and let's see what the chat says. Just letting you know, I might not do the walking at all, depending on what you guys type. Let's go outside, by the way. I actually want to go outside. It is so damn cold though. Hey Google, what's the temperature?
The current temperature there is 22 degrees.
22, damn. I think I'm gonna wear my dad's boots, because I don't really have boots. I will go to the park and see if there's any people there. Where do I even go? What's my final destination? It's 8:39. I will walk. Maybe I'll go to Flushing, but is there anything in Flushing? I want to go to a big park, maybe Casino Park in Flushing. Start running. I don't think I can. Chat. Selfie stick or mounted? Which one do you want? Both. Mounted. Any style? Okay. I'll take both. Oh, I didn't charge my battery at all. It's there. I'm not going to gym, because if I go to gym, y'all gonna be talking mad shit. New York City is supposed to get 12 inches. It's fine. I'll become a news journalist. Yo, must change my title to something cool. Ta shit. W in the chat. This should be inside, no? Looks like you about to join Lakari. What the fuck do you mean? Hold on. You look like a ninja turtle.
Tenzin, you should totally go up to guys in the Bronx wearing this and ask them where they are from.
Do I look tough? Man, I feel like, why do people wear this? It's suffocating me, bro. Yo, Joel, good luck on your journey, man. Keep it up. Listen to dumbass chat. I know you can do it. It's all, don't have motivation, have discipline. There. Alright, chat, let's go. I'm taking no speaker, by the way. I'm not taking no speaker. Maybe I should. It's winter. Where's your badge? What do you mean? I'm already down 100k. I don't care what the chat says. Why the fuck are you throwing shots at me, bro? You fat slob. You fat slob. Bro, I'm being nice to you, man. Good luck, bro. Now he's gonna say, I don't fucking need your luck. Alright, I'm going out. I'm gonna wear boots. You know what? Be right back. I'm gonna get boots. I did not read. Where am I? I'm already down 10 pounds. I don't care what your chat has to say, mate. Oh, my bad. But I'm not talking about my chat. I'm saying in general. Bro, my chat is never mean to you. My chat is never mean to you. It is so fucking cold. Be right back. Oh no. I brought my dad boots. Nah. Dad always buy the most expensive shit. Let me try this one first. Looks nice, but I don't know if it fits me or not. Hopefully. Nah, it's too tight. Wait. Nah, too tight. And this is the other one. This might fit.
Man, what the fuck you wearing a sheesty for? You ain't a shooter. Take that shit off. And that's on motherfucking GD.
Shut up. Sheesh. Is that how you wear shiesty? There we go. Take the beanie off? Why? You're gonna get caught lacking. Bro, I'm wearing, this is not even shiesty, motherfucker. It's ski mask. You know what? It's fine. I'm not taking this shit. I don't wanna get shot. I'm gonna wear my humble hat. I'm gonna wear this running shoe that I got gifted on snow. Yeah. It's light. What the fuck am I supposed to wear? I don't have anything. Shut up. Okay. We ready? I'm sweating. Deuces. Very interesting. All right, let's go. Oh my God, it's so cold. It's still snowing a little. So we are in New York City. The current temperature is 22. It feels colder than 22. Wow. I'm not going to no gym. Why not? Because my body needs to recover. Oh my God.
Fat fuck, fat fuck.
Oh. It's not really snow, it's like a crystal, small particle of crystal dropping, and it's hitting my face and it kind of hurts a little bit. It's like someone poking me with someone throwing light sand in my face. That's what I feel like. And the snow is very slippery. I think I'm gonna wear the ski mask. Gang shit. A whole lot of gang shit. Oh look, I found a weapon. Why am I acting like this is like a mountain trekking? I did not steal a broom. It was broken and it was thrown. So I equipped it because it is someone's garbage. Theft. I did not steal, bitch. Oh my God. Such a little whiner motherfucker. Alright. Here. Okay? You guys happy, bitch? Fucking shit ass. Why am I more gassed out? Okay. Skin mask is making me difficult to breathe. This is Tenzin, a food journalist in New York City. We have a severe snowstorm in New York, and this is the result of it. It is so severe. Car can move no more. Is it cold? Nah? Oh, he's lying. He's a fat. It is extremely cold, chat. I went a little too far. Is it cold? Yes. He nodded. It is so cold that the severe temperature makes it workers not work. As you can see, the lady is struggling to walk as well. Ooh, hold up. I think I'm in, yeah, okay. So I was right. Go, go. Because if the car stops there, it might get stuck. Let it go while the momentum is there, you know? Wow. Do you guys remember this area? Oh, the guy's not selling shit. Damn. Oh my god, I might fucking fall down. I don't see no stairs. Okay, I do not. I'm walking on top of ice that they laid. Why is there a police there?
But nobody fans with them. Nobody who fans with them. No, yeah.
I don't listen to nobody. You guys tell me right.
Lot of police. Why? I don't know. Double journalist? Hell yeah. And look at this. During the daytime, they fill everything with vegetable, and during the nighttime, it's like this. Will people not just steal this, like drag this and steal this? I don't know. Oh, look, there's also a food truck. All right, and we are in Corona Park. I remember back in 2011, maybe it was 10. I don't remember. The first time I was ever in New York City, it snowed a lot. It's like at least 2 feet of snow in New York City. It was so fun. I went to park. I played snow fight with people. I'll be honest, who am I lying to? I went to park alone because I was excited and no one was there. I threw snow at a wall. Yeah, but it was really fun though. It was fun. Wait, I can't go there. Come on, I wanna go there. Fuck, if I was skinny, I would have fit. Man. The fence is short. I'm not jumping the fence. Why are they locking it, bro? Man, I ain't jumping, bro. I cannot. How many subs to throw a snowball at the biggest person you can find? Huh. Fuck that. Imagine this is a zombie apocalypse. Do you think I will survive? I think I will survive a zombie apocalypse. If it's a if the zombie is the Walking Dead zombie, I will survive easy. The only problem will be food, but I think I'm just gonna grow crops. I don't know why people in zombie apocalypse don't just grow crops. Are they stupid? The zombie don't look fast. The zombie don't look strong. Avoid the fucking zombie by building a fence and isolate yourself from the world. If someone survival comes to your door, no question, just shoot. You spit or swallow? I don't do any. Like, what? Like, get your desk out. Ah, shit. Bro. I was reading the chat. Stupid door, you wanna take a day? Okay. Fuck. I wanna buy like a. I saw in Timu where there's like, and it throws all the snow back. But I don't think it's beneficial if you're in New York City. Snow doesn't come like this often, once a year. Get a job, fuck that. I'm already working. Fat ass. Can you stop breathing heavy? My bad, I'm gonna stop breathing. I cannot ride. I think they need to make a boots for snow where instead of rubber at the bottom there's metal, that sharp metal. They do no shot. Well, there goes my plan to be a millionaire. Well, what about removable metal? How about that? You wear it on a shoe, clamp it or zip it, and after you're done you remove it. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm gonna rest here a little bit. I'm already sat here for me. Good. Is it wet? Nope. Ooh, it's cold. Bro, if I take a nap here, I can die, right? Without even knowing, because it's cold and your body will not know. Shut up with Snow Angel and doing nothing. I think I walked like 3 hours at least. Up in the chat. 30 minutes? Nah, you guys lying. At least a 2 hour, bro. Now unibike. No. Do you guys like just me yapping and walking around New York City? Because I will not watch myself. Yes? No, shut up. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm not gonna lie. I love just sitting down and just sitting down outside. It feels so, I don't know. It keeps my mind at peace in the silence. Nice. I can almost hear my heartbeat. My stomach is growling a little too. I can hear it. What the fuck? I've never seen that in New York City. A bobcat. That is so small. Buy one. That probably costs 10,000 plus. Do some journalism. As you can see, as the city gets a snowstorm, all of there is no traffic because people wants to be inside their house, cozy with their family. And also, fuck Mamdani, motherfucker, telling the kids they should still do homeschooling while there is snowstorm. Are you stupid? Usually when there's snowstorm, you sit inside. It's no school. But that motherfucker wants kids to still go to school. Stupid. You have no brain. There gotta be a bait. No, it's not bait. Listen, you don't know how much surprise holiday is a good holiday. And if the God is telling you to sit inside, you sit inside. Shut up. Okay, I'm getting too cold. My leg is freezing. All right, let's walk. It's so crazy that this don't break. I'm pretty sure if you just punch it, break and shatter. Wow, New York City people, tried? I'm not trying. Shit. Oh my god, my right leg is too cold because there's snow went inside my boots. Not my boots, my sneaker. See, it's not a snow boot and I'm wearing sneaker. Snow going inside my sneaker. See? Oh my god. Can I ask whether I can drive that? Wow. Bro, that is so cool, bro. Awesome dog. Man, fuck off. I don't care. Oh, they're workers. How much do you think that Bobcat cost? Huh? I don't think it's doing a good job at all. It's kind of, it's gonna take a while. It's like mowing a grass. What if it hits a bump, chat? What will happen if it hits a bump? Will it flip? Oh, it's smart. It's not. Oh wait, what the fuck? The front wheel is like kind of lifting. You see? That would be so fun to drive. I know. Imagine driving that around and helping people. Oh man. Those cost like 20 to 50k. Yeah, it's fine. But they're actually doing kind of a good job. Look at that. Damn, that looks strong as fuck. Let the man work. I ain't stopping them. Damn, he's not wearing proper stuff for snow. He's probably cold as fuck. Man. Oh my god, finally. Look what I found. A fucking seat. Sometimes you gotta rest to move 2 steps forward. If you keep working on without resting, you will exhaust your stuff and you will give up. As you work out or you work to complete the dream, you need to enjoy the moment it gives you in life. Type shit. That's what I'm gonna try to make a snowball. First snowball off the stream. Oh, hold on. This is kind of. Oh, so cold. Ah. There we go. There. There we go. I'm gonna hit the snow, hit that tree. Okay, watch. I'm a fucking baseball pitcher. Okay, it just split into 2. Okay, a proper snowball. It's too soft. It's Y and a Y electrons, so there's no neutrons, so it don't really stick together. See, I made it. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm correct. I'm trying to melt the outer layer with my hand and squeezing it, compressing it, so it can become a snowball. Watch. I'm gonna hit this. Pah! Alright, right here. Good spot to make snowman, right in the middle of the park. Yeah, should be good, I don't care. Wait, someone already made a snow there. Oh no, it's so cold. I don't have the right equipment. My niece is cold. Fuck that. You know what? There's the fucking body and there's the head. I don't fucking care. I'm not doing this. It's too cold. I'm not doing this. Oh no. I'm not doing this, chat. It's too damn cold. I can't. The snow don't sit together. I'll show you an example. You see the snow? I'm gonna compress. Oh, but look. See? It's not good. It's not good to make snowman. It's not. I'm not making it. Snow angel. Bro, there's people around, bro. I'm a 30-year-old man. I'm gonna sit here. This looks higher. Okay, this is. I'm gonna flip it like that. I'll flip it. I hope this don't break, bro. Jesus, it's not gonna break. How do you swing? That shit ain't ready for 300. I'm not 300. Watch, I'm gonna swing really hard. I mean, it's a big looking chain. Imagine, nah. Imagine it actually broke. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing that. All right, this is cool. Look at this. It's like a, what do you call that? It's like a roller coaster. What the fuck is this? Bro, I'm too big for this. I can also do this. Oh my god. It's so cold. Now what, chat? I go home. If I have a shovel, I'm gonna already make a snowman right there. Kind of. Maybe I can finish what they made. My phone is freezing. Snow angel? Okay. Alright, let's do a snow angel real quick. I want the snow angel right here where there's a lot of things. Right here. Okay. Good. It's so cold, bro. Let's not ruin it. I gotta be right here, right? A little bit there. Big. Big. Bro, it's made of ice. There. Oh my god, that's so cold. There. That's a snow angel. That's a cute snow angel, bro. This is Tenzin. Still damn cold. As you can see, all the walkways are covered with snow, but we are still plowing through. So now we're gonna get something to eat, because why the fuck not? Ain't a Tenzin stream if ain't not eating stream. You know what? I'm gonna check if there's anything to eat. I'm fine. You know what? I'm gonna start running so my body gets. Never give up. Let's get something good to eat. I deserve it. We are plowing through in hopes to get some food. Fuck, there's no food, chat. What do we do? In life, don't worry to pause. Pause as much as you want. As long as you're going towards your destination. So for some, oh, it smells so good.
Fat fuck, fat fuck.
It's shrimp. Someone's cooking shrimp.
Fat fuck, fat fuck.
Is there a restaurant? I don't think I ever saw a restaurant here.
Fat fuck.
What should I get? I think I'm good with these prices. Looks nice. I think I'm good with these prices. Fuck! Damn, somebody smells like shit. Alright, chat. This is the end of the stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you later. Ta-ta.